If you are looking for some great cookies that taste really good, that are grain-free, and they're good for paleo, they're gluten-free, you're absolutely going to love these. So you're going to get 4 packs. You're going to get 1 pack of this. So this is the maple pecan. These are the cinnamon raisin, and then you're going to get 2 of the cookies right here. This is the brownie style. So I'm going to open this up real quick. So this is what they kind of look like right here. This is what the bite looks like. Really, really nice. Really like these a lot. It tastes really good. You got like a little nut in there as well. So see here, you got the ingredients here. These are 8 ounces a piece. So again, you're gonna get 2 of these, and then 1 of these, and then 1 of these as well. For me, I like the brownie one the best out of these, but these are also pretty good too. So if you're looking for some good cookies, definitely check these out. And thanks to the brand for sending us over so I could do this review.